Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings, press the Windows key plus I now. Once done, navigate to System, then About. This is the primary entry to version details. You need no extra tools, but make sure you have a signed-in account to view device-specific entries. The About page shows the edition, version number, and OS build. Note them down. If you plan to report or update, copy the build and version exactly. Those numbers determine update compatibility and support timelines. Next, delve deeper with run commands. Type WinVer for a fast dialog that displays the release version and build useful for confirmation. For more detail, run msinfo32. This opens system information with an exact OS name, version, build, and system type. You should compare the versions string against settings about to catch any discrepancies. Make sure to copy or screenshot the system type and BIOS dates if you need driver updates. These items help diagnose compatibility issues later. Finish by verifying Windows Update. Feature updates change the major version, and you must install them before reporting. If settings and WinVer disagree, reboot and recheck both tools, then inspect update history to see recent installs. If system info pages fail or return errors, run system file check with sfc/scano and then dism restore health. That repairs corrupted files that can misreport version data. If problems persist, note exact error text before seeking help. Accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.